see, we're in a first generation Mustang with the clapperboard speedo. This one's got one or two lovely extras on it. It's got power steering, got motor lead steering wheel, which looks absolutely spot on. Got the Cruiser-O-Matic automatic gearbox. Got some extra dials down the front there that are fuel pressure, temperature gauge and volts. We have also got really nice, beautiful interior upholstery and carpets, but we've also got the headrests as well. So these headrests were something that was sort of like an American option, and they were fitted when the car was in America. It's got front disc brakes. It's also got American racing alloys. And obviously the paintwork is absolutely glorious.